Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how I made artwork for my 70s themed dollhouse, including frame prints as well as wood panel art, which was popular in the 70s. So the first thing I did was find a bunch of retro-looking images online, and then I sized them in Microsoft Word, and then I printed them on cardstock. For the ones I wanted in frames, I cut them out with scissors, leaving a small border around each one. For the pictures I wanted to use on wood panels, I carefully cut out with a craft knife and ruler. Then I colored around the edges with a marker in a color that matched the background. I used dark yellow on the owls and brown on the peacocks. A little bled through around the edges, and that's perfectly fine because I think it actually enhanced them. Next, I'm going to take this piece of craft wood and stain it with Min Wax Wood Stain and let it dry. When it's dry, I cut the wood into pieces that are the same size as the pictures, then glue them on. When the glue is dry, I lightly sand it at an angle. The goal is to sort of smooth it into the wood so it doesn't look like paper. Once I'm happy with how it looks, I go over the edges with a marker. And this is how the wood panels turned out. I printed this picture to go into a large frame for over the sofa. I wanted it to look like an oil painting, so I added a coat of glossy Mod Podge with the sponge brush. Here's how it turned out after it dried. And here are some of the prints in frames. And here's how they look on the walls. I'm sure I'll be rearranging these as I add furniture. Let me know in the comments what you think, and don't forget to share and like this video, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications so you'll know when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching!